Let it go, let it go, let it go. I respect the MIC, so the rock stone don't ever spit into it. Instead I talk love through it, amplify my emotions over a hot snare, bass and kick. Thoroughbred African with a good and bad habit. Styles kinda like a root hug at the Burns unit. Get it? Everybody's gon' feel it. Turn down the pitch that you yapping at me with, kid. Cause the rock is stone cold, damn it. I'm not like you, dude, I'm good. I'm not from your hood, from a whole different planet. From a place where everybody look like Janet. Do only prophylactics, no HI, whatever you call it. I'ma let your imagination run real quick. In the present, in your past, future, kid, I'ma let it.
You gotta let it go. You got to let it go.
Savage Daniels, been around since James House made rockin' bell. Ice-T, School to Rockstone, so kid, you know I know sex sells. Seek and find whoever made the Jerry Curls. In the jungle, Caspi lost dogs, snakes, rats, and pigs and plant bugs. But in the wake of the panther, I never trust. Eagle eye, stay steady, watching the police false laws till they get broken when nobody looking. Travel across the seas for my mama's cooking. Don't put my name on your show unless you got the booking. Mm-hmm.